guys, today I'm going to make ddokgalbi. It's like meatballs with rice cake duck. It's so tiny and cute. Kids love them. To make juicy ddokgalbi, I will use a secret ingredient today. And also, I'm not going to use a cutting board or knife. Sounds good? Okay, let's get started. To make ddokgalbi, we need some ground meat. I got some beef and pork. You can use beef only, it's up to you, and some rice cake duck. This is my secret ingredient. That's right, it's applesauce. This will make the meat juicier and tender. I recommend grabbing a little bit of the meat and cooking it to test it out. You will have an idea if you need more seasoning or not. Let's put the meat and rice cake together. This will take some time, so why don't you take a seat at the table with the TV on while making them? I'll show you again. Grab some meat and place a duck in the center and wrap the meat around it. Make sure to close the edge. Don't make it too big because it won't get cooked all the way through. Set the heat to medium temperature. Poke the meat gently. If it's still soft, it means it's not fully cooked. When the outside is cooked, set the heat to medium-low. This is pine nut.
That was like Parmesan cheese.
Oh.
It's
good?
Oh, really good. The duck is really good too.
Duck.
Duck! Yes, the duck is really good. And not quack quack duck. A Korean rice cake duck. It's almost like cheese. Fantastic.
맛있어? This is definitely softer with applesauce.
Oh.
Right?
The last batch was a little dry.
I agree.
I was just gonna have a couple.